Alright, so how to change your installation file on Xbox other than C drive. So for example, my C drive is almost full and I have a little more space on my another drive. So you're gonna go to your Xbox and then click your icon and then go to settings. And on the settings you're gonna go to the install option, and over here you can change the drive. Right now it's only showing my C drive, so you're gonna go to E drive and it's not showing, right, just because it doesn't have the Xbox games folder. So you gotta go to this E drive and create a folder over here, and so new, and the name is exactly this Xbox games, right? Xbox games. So once you have this exactly rename folder, I believe it will now show your E drive right now. So one more time, select folder. Now as you can see, it's showing your E drive. So you're gonna go to your E drive and you select your E drive, and that's it. And your install option, I think, is pretty much changed right now. You can see it's E drive, so it's really important you have this exactly how it named, like X capital and G is capital, and make sure rename and create a new folder, and that's all you gotta do. Once you have that, it's pretty much good to go, and you can download the game you like. For example, that's the game I wanted to download right now. Wait, why doesn't... I might need to restart my Xbox. And also uncheck this. Gameplay creator. Okay. Or I might try a different game. Let's see. So yeah, as you can see, it's downloading the game. So yeah, let me know in the comment what you guys think of this video. Again, if this helped, please subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye bye.